Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2010 Victory Vision with 36,624 miles has been upgraded with a LEHMAN CROSSBOW TRIKE kit. It runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. The Vision comes from the factory with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, cruise control, heated grips, and an electronically adjustable windshield. However, the real centerpiece of this bike is its 106 cubic inch V-twin that puts out an impressive 108 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.